Well, this is a case we've been following. A legal challenge to a controversial form of birth control reaches a critical juncture.
7 investigator Heather Catallo was one of the first to cover this controversy, and she joins us now about Essure. Heather.
5 lawsuits have been filed against Bayer Healthcare trying to prove that Essure birth control should never have been approved by the FDA, but the product is supposed to be protected from any legal challenges. Now, a judge is poised to decide if the thousands of women who claim to have been injured by the device can sue.
It's definitely ruined my life and the lives of my 4 children.
Would I recommend my enemy to get this advice? Oh, no. Would I recommend anyone to get this advice? No.
These mothers from Redford and Detroit have been fighting to get Essure taken off the market.
Felt like my pelvis was burning all the time. My uterus felt like it was on fire, and my hair started falling out.
Darlene Taylor and Misha Hodge are among the thousands of women across the country who complain of severe pain, miscarriages, and serious injuries from the permanent contraception device.
They told me that it was just a really easy procedure, and just a few minutes is all it took.
Kimberly Lira was implanted with Essure 15 years ago as part of the original clinical trial to get Essure approved by the FDA.
I think it's horrible. It's horrible. I just, words can't even describe how horrible it makes me feel.
She says she's been living in pain ever since. During the procedure, 2 metal coils are placed inside the fallopian tubes to block conception. Complaints about complications related to the device continue to grow. We found there are now more than 4,800 adverse event reports about Essure filed with the FDA.
Every single day I have bloating. Every single day I have pain.
Now, the owner of Essure, Bayer Healthcare, is facing allegations of fraud that stem from that clinical trial.
I reported the excessive pain from day 3, all the way until they dropped me from the study.
When Essure was approved by the FDA in 2002, it was given pre-market approval, shielding it from litigation. But 5 lawsuits have been filed against Bayer, alleging the original manufacturer of the device, Conceptus, breached its warranty, and Essure should no longer receive that protected status. Now, the judge in those cases is set to make a decision to let the cases go forward or dismiss them.
I think it undermines what I'm going through. It undermines the pain that I feel.
I just wish that everybody would listen. This is so important. Women's lives, families depend on this.
Today, Bayer filed a lengthy response to these claims. If the federal judge decides against Bayer, lawyers around the country could start taking Essure cases. Bayer told us they have no comment about ongoing litigation, but a lot of these women really want to be able to sue. As of right now, they can't. We'll see what the judge decides.
I mean, as you've been reporting, they're having so many problems, and if they can't get it out, I mean, it's...
And hearing what they've been through is frightening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really is.
All right. Thanks, Heather.
Now you're going to stay on.